So the installation of Go is very simple. We'll go to go.dev, and over here we can click on the download button. It will take us to the download page where we can find our operating system, and we can download the respective file. Like if you're working on Windows, you can just download this MSI file. I'm working on macOS ARM64, so I'll download this package. And the installation is once it is downloaded, it's like we just have to follow the I already have one version of Go installed already, so we just have to click on continue, and the installation will complete. So once the installation is complete, we'll get this message: the installation was successful. We'll just close this and we'll move the file to the bin, and we can open the terminal, and over here we can just type Go version, and you can see if there is any issue with the installation, then you will not see any message, or you might see some error, but over here, because it was successful, so we can see the version 1.23.5. So let's move on to the next video. We'll start with the Hello World program.